Hi, and welcome back to the Secret of the Game course. This is lesson 81, the Western Rotation Building Framework. So we've already talked about this, numerous times in this course. Wanted to just put together a high-level summary, really, of what we've talked about. At the end of the day, we are going through the attraction and seduction personas of Mr. Social, Mr. Polarity, or Mr. Flirtatious, and Mr. Physical, okay? We're using free association openers to then transition to free association flirting, and then we're going to be extracting handling logistics to be able to do some free association physicality, okay? Being spontaneous in the moment, going with it, and creating and living those magical moments, okay? So that's what we're doing with the attraction and seduction personas. We're getting to the same night lay, and the physicality that occurs allows her to flow into your rotation. She's officially a part of your rotation. You're high status to her because you dominated her physically in a good way, sexually, got her off, got her excited. And then we are now doing the work, once she's in your rotation, of a polarity dynamic. You're doing that recall humor, that best possible flirt, and continuously strengthening that interaction, in that polarity dynamic to induce a chase from her end. Okay, so it's continued physicality. When she's in your rotation, it's just fun, playful flirting, best possible flirt. It's logistics of seeing each other, and then it's room, meaning the value of your absence for a period of time. Those are the three things she should get content-wise from you. So the undefined unattached interaction space, we've already talked about this. The importance of being able to operate there and not certainty seek, not trying to establish exclusivity or formal titles. The goal is to create an environment where spontaneity, humor, and flirtation thrive, fostering a strong polarity dynamic between you and the woman. And then you're keeping it lighthearted and playful, no heavy stuff. And that allows you to strengthen that interaction into a polarity dynamic. Now that she has begun to chase you, she's volunteered her exclusivity to you. You can decide to be exclusive or not. You can decide to be together when you're together. You can be together fully, or when you're not type situation. That's the dynamic you can create with her. Or if you want to just keep her as a primary in your rotation in that capacity, you can do that. So it's up to you. Either way, you're in a great position to have a primary in your rotation at least, or if you want to have an exclusive relationship, you can do that. So up to you. And really at the end of the day, keep in mind the big paradigm shift around relationships is it's not about the titles. It's about the strength of the polarity dynamic anyways. The polarity dynamic is the relationship. Free association, opening, flirting, and physicality. That is the relationship. So just keep that in mind. This was hopefully helpful. Once again, just an overall summary of what we talked about as Western Rotation Building Framework here.